Hey, let me quickly explain how you can charge your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. So as you know, this device only comes with this magnetic charger without power adapter. So if you want to reach the highest speed of charging, you have to use at least 10 watts power adapter or the device that support 10 watts charging, like for example some laptops, some PCs or game consoles. You can use third-party adapters. In my case, I've got this one from Motorola and it works with this device. But you don't even have to use power adapter. You can just connect this device straight into any other devices with power supply. So take a look. I'm connecting right now into my smartphone and it's gonna start charging my Galaxy Watch 8. So we can connect this watch by using this charger into your PC, laptop, game console, TV, any power adapter that you have, but for sure I will recommend you to use some high brand quality power adapters, like the famous company like Motorola, Samsung, Apple, Xiaomi, something like this, to avoid some damages. And as you can see, I'm using 125 watts, which is really powerful, and you can also do this. Don't worry, this watch gonna automatically adjust intake power that comes from this powerful charger, so you are not gonna damage your device. And that's basically it, just a quick information for you.